MBK React. Hey yo, welcome back to MBK React. Bringing you guys episode number 2 to season 2 of Vinland Saga. Last episode we got introduced to a new character, Einar. He was the son of a mother and a brother to a sister. He was living on a nice little, not really farm, just a nice little neighborhood, and they was living good. He wanted to protect his family, just like how Thorfinn wanted to protect his family. But unfortunately, he became a slave in the same episode. Family got killed, sister killed in front of him, mother killed in front of him. He got sold off into slavery. I don't know for how long. I'm guessing like maybe a year or two, because he kind of looked the same age, just like got stockier. So I guess a slave for a year or two. But the whole time as a slave, he still kept his will of wanting to live, and kept his mother thoughts in his head. Like he kept on saying, "Hey, I'm not a loser yet. I haven't lost yet.
I have to
keep going.
I can keep rebuilding.
I can move forward." So now he's on this farm. He was bought, so he's still a slave, but he was bought to work on this farm, to help on this farm. He didn't say work, he said help. So yeah, and that's where he met Thorfinn. But Thorfinn, he looks the complete opposite of Einar. Like he looks defeated, just living day by day, just living to get by, just to breathe, whatever. Like he doesn't have no type of will in his face at all. So I'm excited to see their relationship with each other and see how they help each other and how they might hurt each other. Who knows? Thorfinn might be pissed off looking at this guy. Why do you have so much light in your eyes? Get away from me! And beat the living breaks off him. So you know, if you like that content, make sure you like, subscribe, comment to the bell for our Vinland Saga playlist so you can know if I will upload new videos next. Full reactions on Patreon, $1 a month to get a full reaction to this. And many other good shows. Without further ado, episode starting in 3. Oh my god. 2, 1, go. Oh yeah. You're forced to be quiet. Thorfinn's still kind of young. He's small as hell.
Nah, nigga just malnourished. She was like 20.
Damn.
Probably the same age.
He was gonna be rich. Oh, he already is rich. Oh. What's up this one? Dang. Oh, this is about to be go to the season. Man, he thought he was gonna come over here and be 3 years, right? It's gonna be quick.
Sorry, what happened?
Yo, I called them slaves. They're not slaves, huh?
Of course
Yeah, it has to be, because he said he pointed out free men. You still got a better life than before. They probably hate Thorfinn.
You know they can't come.
Yeah, because he doesn't do no type of reaction or nothing. Hell no. Pushing with the horse. Thorfinn used to do this by himself before he came. I'm assuming. None of them helped him.
They didn't have nothing floating on the river. They was all just sitting there, all these logs.
Yes, they ate my lunch. No, they ate our lunch.
Shit about regular life.
You probably still at night be like, what should I do?
You put no fear in his heart.
Master. Huh?
Huh?
Just was about to snitch and saw a bitch.
You seen a baddie and lost his train of thought.
Oh, you see my daughter. On a farm. You know what Thorfinn secretly wanted to do it. I've been stuck here for so long, I couldn't do it.
Tell him what to do it. Nigga can't. They don't have the balls.
Man, he said, weren't you gonna do it?
Please.
Oi, oi! Okay, they here too.
Girlfriend is doing the same shit.
Oh yeah, I already know he clean. Just the fact that he has a name and he's different color hair. Oh my. Why he got a sword on him? Man. Ah, the Saga.
That's what I
Same word for 3 different. Bruh. Alright, trying to put it there.
Take it, then he put it back and ran off.
That's crazy, dude. None of them know that Thorfinn has like killed 1,000 people. Okay, you just got done back. I'm gonna join Prince Canute. Hold on. So there's a little connection right now. So, okay.
Yeah, I thought you could
Yeah, I thought you gotta get it.
Oh, he really do got some potential? No, this nigga's garbage.
Let's go again. Bruh. Yo. Nigga's waiting to freaking try to get some money from the family.
trying to have a baby.
I have a family now. Daughter's married. Damn. Fuck you. You got drunk people on a farm, bruh. Oh, dang. I was light on his side, darkness.
Oh shit.
You sleeping next to him right now. Dang. Wasn't the Askeladd people? Wasn't he like a Dane? His mother was like a horde or more.
Yeah, his other brothers. No.
Damn. What do you think about that? That's crazy, because he was the one doing that. What is Thorfinn thinking?
I'm thinking like, nigga, I could have smoked your ass if I had the chance.
Yo, that's crazy, because Thorfinn's over here thinking about, I don't know if he's trying to relate to this story, because he can't relate. He was the one attacking people.
He can't relate. Nigga, he got his whole village got ransacked too.
Thorfinn's village should not get
ransacked, but it definitely got walked up on.
He got walked up on, but he got away
pretty. He had to see it too. He used to just be there looking at niggas dying. He used to watch villages get burned down.
He was the one doing it though.
No, he wasn't. He wasn't always the one doing it. He used to be there and watch them niggas kill people too. You feel me? Because he was a little ass kid before he started killing people to start training to kill Askeladd.
Yeah, remember he got picked up right away.
Remember he was running away from them niggas, and the nigga he like accidentally killed somebody, and that's when he started killing people.
Nah. He wanted to do that. He got scared in that moment, but he still wanted to kill. Because remember, as soon as he got on the boat, he said, "I'm gonna kill you guys." Like he was already a killer from the jump. Right. He already knew this time. All right, my fault. my fault.
You recommend?
All right, bro. I'm just saying what I think, but nah. Another golden episode. So now we got Omar. He's in the story now in the little mix.
You think he's gonna cause issues?
Oh, for sure. Because Omar, he wants to be a warrior. Mm-hmm. He doesn't really know the tragedy and like the trauma and like the hardship that comes with being a warrior. Thorfinn, already a warrior, now he's a slave. Seeing Omar, he's like, yo, this nigga doesn't know shit. So Omar's probably gonna start some shit. Might get a fight, result off fight. He might fight on Thorfinn. He might be like, hey Thorfinn, you're a slave. You don't know what it's like to be a warrior. And he's gonna punch Thorfinn. Thorfinn's probably not gonna fight back, so that's gonna get Einar in there. He's gonna be, hey, get off my slave brother, and punch Omar. Bam! Already bad situation, because now these two slaves are fighting the son of the farm. That's probably gonna cause a scene. I don't know.
No, not really, man.
I don't know, man. And these two drunkards, they definitely fucked up the farm, and they might blame it on the slave. They might blame it on sticking Thorfinn and Einar. I don't know, man. All I know is Omar, you don't want to be a warrior, man. Oh, he brought up he wants to join the army for King Canute. So that's important. So now I know Canute, he has this new army. I wonder if Thorkel's still with Canute in that old army or whatever.
Thor's killed strong ass.
Yeah, so he's probably still running together. You got Prince Harl, whatever his name was. So that was the brother of Canute that was fighting for the crown. But he didn't win because Canute was there. He killed Askeladd, whatever. It's some interesting stuff about it going on. I can't lie. All I know is...
Pay attention to how my nigga Thorfinn becomes the best character in the show.
You
You said he didn't develop. Well, watch this.
Who said that?
You did.
What did I say he
He
did?
didn't develop from season 1, really. He really developed season 1. That's what you said. Something like that.
I said he was a slave to the revenge, so he never developed his character.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You about to develop. That's what I meant.
Oh, okay.
So you about to see that shit.
Okay.
You gotta develop from that. Fuck, nigga.
Okay. I'm ready.
Yes, sir.
So you know what to do if you like type content, maybe like, subscribe, comment.
Share it to your post notifications on the Arena Bell so when the video.
Mbk out.